Mr. Mayor, as I mentioned, the way you can handle all of this and just direct the special counsel to put a general waiver clause in the contract.
Okay.
Is that fair, Mr. Munoz?
Does that give us the same exact protection as what we already have, is what I'm asking?
I would like to
If
make a
we re-
motion
if
just
we-
to follow the wording of the city attorney.
If we remove that wording, that basically means that if somebody is in a current litigation, we can be engaged in it. The way it's currently written, it protects us from that. Why would we want to remove that? The waiver part is great, but why would you want to remove that if they're in any type of litigation? Why would you want to take the protection away? Can you explain that, Mayor, since you have an explanation for it?
Okay. It was voted on, and I'm going to explain why. The special counsel is going to follow what we just voted on. The explanation is this. Tonight, we voted on a trash contract, okay? And how do you protect the city when you leave the door open for someone to come back tomorrow and try to file a frivolous lawsuit against the city because they believe that the process wasn't followed according to some of the opinions? So how do you protect the city? How do you protect the city when we don't remove things that will put you in jeopardy?
You leave the wording of the waiver of against frivolous lawsuits.
Okay, we voted on, okay, and that was the direction of council.
No, that actually
So
hasn't been voted on.
yeah, we already did. So let's move on with the interviews of the.
No, you have a motion and a second on the table to
We already
reword it.
voted on one.
No, Santillan made a motion and Morton seconded, or the other way around. There's a motion and a second on the table. Call the question.
I want a clarification of what we're going back and forth and not around in circles. So I want a clarification of the whole thing. Okay.
Mayor, if I may. So the clause that is suggested in this contract is that should there be a legal challenge, the contract award is canceled automatically. However, as has been read, there is language that protects the city by saying that if a lawsuit comes, you as a city council have the right to decide not to cancel the award of the contract. You may waive that provision. For example, if there is a frivolous lawsuit, you may not necessarily want to cancel that award. So the way the language is currently written, in the current version of the contract, it has those opportunities for the city council to make that determination. If a challenge comes, you could decide to cancel the contract, or you can waive that condition.
Couldn't we do that?
That's what's already there, Mr. Morton. That's what's there. That's what I wanted to
I
do.
made the motion for that.
Okay, I'll second Mr. Morton's.
I already have a second.
You already have a second.
Well, but so he's specifying exactly what Fred just stated, which is exactly what we currently have. So we're bringing it back to reinstate it. I second that motion that Mr. Morton just made.
There was already
As
a
long
second.
as it's going to protect the city and the residents
It's
from
there, Mr. Morton.
frivolous suits.
All right, can I
Thank
put
you,
another count?
Member Castro?
Yes.
Member Santillan Bass?
Yes.
Member Morton?
Yes.
Mayor Pro Tem Rodriguez? And Mayor Anatol.
Yes. Okay.